Okay, I'm just going to talk about how to do accents and special characters of French and Spanish or German and other languages in Word without having to go looking for special characters in Insert or using the Windows 10 emoji button. So you can just type normal speed. I mean, if you can type normal speed, the kids think you're a wizard anyway. And if you can do the accents, they think it's absolute magic. So, too many F's in préfère. The Grave accent is actually slightly slower. There you are, you see? So you're not faffing about looking for where to find things. If I can get this up on the screen as the on-screen keyboard, which I don't normally use, and I'm not sure it's going to work, but I'm going to try and show you anyway. So I'll click where I was. So you hold down Control, and at the same time you hold down comma, and then you do the letter C. And that gives you C cedilla. That's all I was doing. Control with one hand, and then hit that comma once, and then do the letter. And it's the same principle for everything else. So you hold down Control, and then you do with one hand, and simultaneously hit apostrophe once. Nothing happens. Then when you hit the letter, you get the acute, whichever letter you want. Okay. If you want to circumflex, it's there. So Control for special character, and then because it's not the main character on the key, you're going to do Shift, and then hit the 6, and now hit the letter you want. And the same for if you want normal out diaresis, Control, Shift, so you do that with that finger and that finger. It's a lot clumsier on here. And then hit colon, and then hit the letter. If you wanted to do Spanish, I don't even know this, because I just do it without thinking. It's Alt, Control, Shift, and then question mark. It's not letting me do it on here. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of that. Just talk you through it. So I'm holding down Alt, Shift, Control with the left hand, and then I'm going to hit, what was I showing you? Was it upside down question mark? Just hit question mark. Okay, Alt, Shift, Control with one hand, hit exclamation mark, upside down exclamation mark. The enye, so I'm doing Control, Shift, and then hit the enye, well, hit the squiggle, which is on the sharp sign, the hashtag sign. Hit that once, nothing's happened. Hit the N, there you go. Okay, so you can type more or less normal speed. I'm not going to do it again because I got away with it the first time fairly quickly. And the accent's just a bit. Oh, one more. Tell you what, open brackets, type an E, close the brackets, turns into a euro. If you actually wanted an E in brackets, for example on Je suis allé, brackets, extra E, now I hit backspace and it returns it to how it was. Okay, I think you can probably get the copyright sign as well like that if you do brackets, C, close bracket, there you are. Okay, but that's straying into different territory. PowerPoint doesn't work. This is only on Word. What does work on PowerPoint is holding down Control and the Alt key and then hit the vowel, and it'll put a acute accent on it, which is great for Spanish, not really good enough for French. That also works on the internet and in lots of other things if you ever need to put an acute accent on, Alt and Control and then the letter. Don't do that in Word. It's Control, apostrophe, then the letter. Control, Grave, top left, next to the exclamation mark and the one, then the letter. Okay, lovely.